So the S26 Ultra is finally here, and yes, the privacy screen, the built-in privacy screen is here as well, and it is so much better than I thought it would be. So the privacy display function is going to be in the display settings. You just tap on it, and here you can actually set the conditions for turning it on, such as specific apps like Gmail, Netflix. You can also have it to hide your PIN, pattern, or password, and of course to block out incoming notifications. And unlike privacy screen protectors that block out from the sides and only the sides, this also blocks out from the back and the top, or the bottom and the top, I should say. So it's truly 360 degrees of blackout. This works so good. Like, imagine having a built-in privacy screen protector. You don't need to go out and buy one. Not to mention those ones that you do go out and buy, they're not that great. They usually add grain and they just ruin the quality of the display. But this one, it's built right in. The new privacy screen also works if you go ahead and buy a screen protector and you put it on the phone. It'll continue working, no problem. Best part is, well, I guess the second best part is, you can also have it set to Bixby routine. So if you want the privacy screen to toggle on whenever you leave the house, and then when you come back, it turns off automatically, yeah, you can do that. This is truly a crazy feature, and believe me, photos and videos do not do it justice. This is something you actually have to see in person to really appreciate. Now, of course, in great Samsung fashion, they're running really good trade-in deals, so you can get, I believe, up to $800 or $900 off the phone if you trade in. And if you're not trading anything in, I believe you can get $150 off, which then you can use for things like a storage upgrade. Obviously, these are not going to last long, so if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and put a link down below in the video description as well as in the pinned comment. All S26 models now get the upgraded 10-bit display, finally. As a comparison, Samsung's prior phones had an 8-bit display, which is fine, but from time to time you would run into banding issues where colors don't exactly blend. This is because an 8-bit panel can show only, well, only 16.7 million colors, but the new 10-bit display can show over 1 billion colors. So overall, the display is going to look much better and way more color accurate than ever before. As far as charging and battery goes, well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. So yeah, we do still have 5,000 milliamp hours. However, Samsung did boost the charging speed from 45 watts to now 60 watts. So you can get a 70% charge in just as little as 30 minutes. And, this is something we're going to have to kind of play around with and see, but as long as the phone can last all day and it can charge quick, I think that's fine. What do you think? Let me know down below in the comments. Cameras have also improved, specifically the main camera along with the telephoto camera. The low light capabilities have increased by a lot. Samsung mentioned 40% more light using the main camera, and of course I will be comparing it to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the Pixel 10 Pro XL, the OnePlus 15, and more. So definitely be on the lookout for that coming soon, like really soon, like super soon. For my brief moment of playing with the phones and testing out the cameras, I think you guys are going to be pretty happy, and keep in mind, these phones may or may not be running pre-release software, so things could get even better. The new designs look cool. I mean, it's not too different compared to the S25 Ultra, but the new camera bump does give you that new feel, and I don't know, I think it looks good. There's also a slight difference in the actual finish to the chassis, with the S26 Ultra looking a bit more cleaner than the S25 Ultra. Again, not a big change, but a change nonetheless. Now, I do really like this new violet purplish color. I think it'll be one of the ones that sell the most, but time will tell. But I'm pretty sure that one's going to be the one people are going to be going bananas over. Now, I did notice something interesting with the S Pen. Because of the new redesign of the curved corners to the phone, the S Pen needs to be placed in correctly. If you don't, it'll look a bit off. Again, not a huge deal, but it is something to note. Now, as far as performance goes, this phone is of course using an all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. However, it's not the regular old 8 Elite Gen 5, it's the one that's made for Galaxy, which just means it's a little bit more overclocked than the standard chip. This isn't something people are going to notice like straight out of the box. This is something that you're going to really start to appreciate the longer you own that phone because of that extra headroom. But for now, it's safe to assume and kind of safe to guess that this phone is not going to lag, it's not going to stutter, it's going to perform really, really good. I have so many more videos planned for this week, next week, and beyond, so definitely be on the lookout for that. If you guys like no BS tech reviews, I just say it how it is, definitely subscribe, and if you like and enjoy the video, definitely press the like button. And as always, this was Mark from Mark's Tech. Adios.